fifth session. Today is our fifth session where we
Then
are
go.
going to talk about data cleaning up, where we are going to clean the data, where we are going to make sure that the data is in proper format, and we are also going to touch upon certain functions like left, right, uppercase, lowercase, and the trim function, as well as converting text to column in order to clean up your data, in order to make sure that the raw data that you have received is in easily understandable format. Please requesting everyone to be on mute, requesting everyone to be on mute. Yeah. Okay. So the first thing that we need to do is the first shortcut. If you do control A outside and you do control A, it will select your entire sheet. But if you are inside a data set and you do control A, it will only select till where the data exists. I repeat, it will only select till where the data exists. Select this, and after selecting this, we will go and we will use something which is under format, which says auto fit row height and auto fit column. What does auto fit row height and auto fit column width do? It will auto fit the columns and it will auto fit the rows in order to make sure that the content within the cells is readable, that the content within the cells is readable. So let me do auto fit row height and I'll do an auto fit column. As soon as I do this, you will see that all at once the date column, the client column, and all the other columns are fitting properly. Rather than manually double clicking over here between the column headers, this is a better way in order to resize everything. Please try, everyone. Try, everyone. Let me know when you're complete in the chat box. Okay. Now, the next thing which I am going to do is, in this particular column, in this client column, next to the company name, you have some matter in bracket. Next to the company name, you have some matter in bracket. If I would like to replace this, if I would like to replace it, or if I would like to remove it, I am going to select the column, Control Shift and down arrow key. I repeat, Control Shift and down arrow key in order to select it. After doing that, I will go to find and replace. So I will go to find and select, and here I have replace. It will ask me find what. So here I am searching for something which is within a bracket. I repeat, here I am searching for something which is within a bracket. Open bracket, asterisk stands for a number of characters or a string of characters. So open bracket, there is a bracket here. In the bracket, there is matter. For that, I put asterisk sign, close the bracket. So I am basically looking at what is in the bracket and I want to replace it with blank space or nothing. After this, click on replace all. Replace will only make a single replacement, but replace